Hello students, it's our new session. The topic is it's all about nerves. Yes, in today's topic we are going to see something about nerves. So, let's begin our today's session. It's all about nerves. So, what are the nerves? We are going to begin with. Nerves are basically the carriers in the body that carries the signal through which the body works. So, nerves are the carriers of signal due to which we work our body. So, nerves are basically the carriers in the body that carries the signal through which body works. Nerves are basically Nerves are basically the carriers in the body that carries the signal through which our body works. For example, when you think that I have to pick some object, then this signal is sent from the brain to the organ and this signal is carried through the nerves. When our brain sends the signal to the organ, then that organ performs the action which brain wants, and for this the signal is carried through the nerves. So nerves are the carrier of signal through the which body works. Our body has a well defined nervous system, well-defined system of nerves called as nervous system. This nervous system is responsible to do every activity which the brain thinks. Whatever you think in your day-to-day life, that everything our body works with the help of nervous system. As when you think that you need to pick up the pen, or when you think that I want to kick that ball, then these signals are carried to the brain via nerves, and again nerves send the signal to the leg that now it has to kick the ball. So whatever actions you perform, whatever you think, that everything taken to the brain through the nervous system, and this nervous system is responsible to do every activity which brain thinks. Nerves are basically the carriers in the body that carries the signals through which the body works. So how it look like? In this diagram, you can see the nervous system of human beings. The human nervous system is basically divided into two parts. First one is central nervous system, CNS, which consists of brain and spinal cord. And second one is peripheral nervous system, PNS, includes all the nerves of the body. The human nervous system is divided into two parts. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system includes all the nerves of the body. Now, there are subdivisions. Now, central nervous system CNS is subdivided into brain and spinal cord. Our brain is largest and central organ of nervous system. Spinal cord is basically the cylindrical bundle which has nerves in it, and it connects every organ in the body to the brain. Every nerve from each part of the body is connected to the brain through spinal cord. And in central nervous system, the brain is central organ of nervous system. Now, subdivisions of peripheral nervous system, PNS. This carries all voluntary and involuntary actions with the help of peripheral nerves. Now, voluntary action means the actions which are in control of our own, means picking something, kicking the ball, taking the pen, whatever you perform when you wanted, are the voluntary actions, and involuntary actions are the actions which are not in our control, such as pumping of heart, digestion, breathing. These things are not in our hand. They happens regularly without any break. It's not in our control that when we want to pump the heart or when we want to stop it. No, it's not in our control. Thus, these actions are called as involuntary actions. So, peripheral nervous system again divided in two parts. Somatic nervous system. These control voluntary action in the body like moving the muscle only when we want. All voluntary actions in our body are controlled by somatic neural system SNS, and second one is autonomic nervous system ANS. This controls involuntary actions like pumping of heart, digestion, etc. All the voluntary actions happening in our body are controlled by the autonomic neural system ANS. To understand how the nervous system works, let's do a simple experiment. For this experiment, we required 5 to 6 transparent tubes, 2 plastic bottles, scissor, tape, water and red color. We needed 5 to 6 transparent tubes, 2 plastic bottles, scissors, tape, water and red color. Move on to the procedure. We need to do 5-6 holes in 2 plastic bottles. One closer to the one bottle and other closer to the bottom of other bottle. Now connect these holes in the bottles using the tubes. Now mix some red color to the water and pour it in the bottle which has hole closer to the top of the bottle. Now keep pouring till the water starts to move to the other bottle via the transparent tube. So what procedure we need to follow is make 5-6 holes to the 2 plastic bottle, connect the holes using the tubes. Now mix some red color in the water, pour it in the bottle till it reaches to the other bottle via the transparent tube. What we actually understand in this, that is, transparent tube acts like the nerves, as nerves carry the sensory information to the brain and motor signal to the muscle. That means the red color water flow in the tube is actually a sensory information. If tubes are the nerves, then that information carried, that is red color water, is the nerve carrying the information. So nervous system is like the main highway that control everything that your body does. Whatever your body does in day-to-day life, that everything is controlled by the nervous system. So now discuss the role of nerves in the body. As we have discussed, nerves carry the signal from brain to all the organs in the body. Nerves carry the signal from brain to all organs. So, if nerves were not, then we could not be able to do a single thing. Whatever actions you are doing now, you will not be able to do same actions if no nerve is present in your body. We could not even see or feel anything. We are unable to see or feel anything if nerves are not present. So in our life, for living beings, nerves are very important. Nerves plays an important role in our day-to-day life. Now, which part of body control the nerves? As nerves are very important for our body, which body part control the nerves? As we discussed, our brain controls and send messages to the nerves so that we can work accordingly and can adopt the environmental changes going around us. So, brain controls all the nervous system and send messages to the nerves and receive the message coming from the nerves. So, brain is the important part of nervous system. So, in today's session, we learn about nerves, that nerves are the carriers in the body which carry signal from brain to all part of the body. If nervous system were not present, we could not do a single thing. Our brain is the central controller of everything happening by us. Our brain is central controller of everything happening, and this nervous system is divided into two parts as central nervous system CNS, peripheral nervous system PNS. So in today's session we learn about nerves. Thank